everyone, welcome to Sosin IS Academy. So today we are talking about the hero of Ladakh has been raised by the central government. Okay, and we are talking about a very famous social, climate, environment activist, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. Okay, we are talking about him. He has been under detention for a long period of time. Now he has been released. So you can see the headline here as center revokes detention under National Security Act, a very draconian act you can say. So you should never be booked under this particular act, because whenever we say draconian act, it means very clearly that the provisions are very harsh. Your passport will be taken. Okay, government employment will be very hard to get. Okay, you have to report to the enforcement agencies. Plus, your trial, your charge sheet, your detention in the police custody could range from months to years also. So make sure that you never do such things when you are booked under National Security Act. That only happens when you go against the state. Okay, when you promote enmity towards the state or when you betray your country. Okay, then only this particular provisions will be invoked. Means you try to provoke in the masses that this government is not good. Let us go and march to the assembly and the parliaments. Let us torch it. Let us put it on fire. If you're having that kind of intention, it means what? You're working against the country. You're not using your constitutional methods. You're not using your proper channels of protest and criticism. You want to dismantle and create a disharmony in the country. That's the reason you're following such provocative statements. You're mobilizing the masses in order to make sure that the government should come down and social disharmony should be prevailed in the country or in the region wherever you are. That is what has happened with Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. Center has revoked the detention under the National Security Act. If any of the government officials, if they take you arbitrary under the custody, then you are having Article 22, which is a fundamental right, where you will be protected from what? This kind of preventive detentions, this kind of preventive offences, you will be protected. So Article 22 has also been inserted in our fundamental rights by the Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He knows it very well that the enforcement agencies can play tricks with us and make sure that we do not fight with the government in a proper way. It may happen that they may abuse their power. That's why Article 22 is given in order to protect us from arbitrariness of preventive detention. So however, if you talk about the Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, center revokes the detention. Now, he has been labeled once upon a time hero to a traitor. In September 2024, November 2024, when he was booked, so he was called as a traitor instead of a hero, but he was a hero even today. Now the headlines are running like innovator to provocateur. Means he provokes people to go against the government. That's how he has been labeled today. Okay, now you can see here, one by one we'll see what is his demand. So let us see the history. In a significant move to restore the calm in Ladakh masses, Ladakh protesters, Ladakh people, Ladakhis are very much vulnerable, very much what? Anxious that what happened to their leader. That particular sentiments were brewing. They are going to the peak. So it may lead to a disastrous situation in Ladakh. That's the reason Center has understood that it is a high time for them to release Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. They did it in order to calm down the Ladakhis. His detention has been revoked nearly 6 months after his arrest and escalating protest. The center decision also came after Supreme Court adjourned the hearing of the plea filed by Wangchuk's wife has been knocking the door of Supreme Court again and again. Please release my husband. Geetanjali Angmo, the wife of Sonam Wangchuk, she challenged the detention of him under NSA, under the Supreme Court. Then Justice Arvind Kumar and PB Varale bench was about to hear this matter on March 17. The court made it clear that it will not hear any more arguments beyond the date. Means either to March 17 will be the last date of arguments If he is guilty, he will be put under custody. If he is not guilty, he will be released. There won't be any central government lenience will be given. The bench has clearly said. Now the government has understood that anyhow they are going to lose the case in the Supreme Court. It is better that they should release it in order to protect themselves from embarrassment. That is what they have done. Okay, you can see here very clearly again. Why was he arrested? The charges against him was he was allegedly playing a role in instigating the violent protest in Ladakh. Okay, September last year, violent protest in Ladakh, in which 4 people died in the police firing. The world has known him as an educational reformer, a climate activist, an innovator for 3 decades. And you know that the Amir Khan 3 Idiot movie in which the Amir Khan played the role, okay, the role is inspired from the Mr. Wangchuk only. Okay, so he was so much famous. He was famous that he has also won a lot of awards with regard to his activism. He is a winner of Raman Magsaysay Award, which is also considered as a Nobel Prize of Asia. He has been also, what I say is that, dignified and respected by Mr. Indira Gandhi ji, Miss Indira Gandhi ji at that time, who also acknowledged his various efforts with regard to protection of Himalayan ecosystem at that time. Okay, so but here we are having Ladakhis are fighting for something, and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk is actually leading the protest. So let us now talk about, he was born in the village of a Leh district. He was born in the village of what? Leh district. His childhood experiences shaped education. He is a person who have told the world that education does not only come from books, theory, etc., so and so forth. You should go out. The education should be imparted through observation, imparted through demonstration, imparted through practicalism. Go and do it, then only you will learn it. So Gandhiji gave the idea of what? Studying outside. And he gave the idea of what? Studying through observations, studying through demonstration, studying through practical experiments. So that's why he was an educational reformer and set up a very good alternative school, student educational and cultural movement of Ladakh, which is called as SECMOL. This is called as SECMOL. Okay, so Wangchuk also focused his energies with regard to education. In 1994, he helped the government launch Operation New Hope, a collaborative effort to bring reforms in the government education system. Okay, in 2005, he was also appointed a member of National Governing Council for Elementary Education in Ministry of Human Resource Development, a very acclaimed person, a very noble person. Okay, Wangchuk always said that we should have real life solutions should be given to the problems of Ladakh fragile ecology. He also developed ice stupas, the artificial glaciers to store water. A solution for Ladakh summer water woe, especially for the farmers. He has given that particular idea. All of these have really worked. Okay. Now, what is the problem? The problem of what are the various demands of if you see, right, what Sonam Wangchuk is demanding. Sonam Wangchuk, what is demanding? In 2019, you know that Jammu and Kashmir Article 370 has been repealed. And Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh has been made what? Union territories. Jammu and Kashmir was declared as a union territory plus legislature. The same privilege is not given to Ladakh. Ladakh demands a legislature now. Okay. Ladakh is having 2 important areas, Leh and Kargil. Only 1 MP is there. Ladakh now demands 2 MPs in the parliament. 1 legislature, 2 MPs. And Ladakh wants statehood. Ladakh wants statehood. Ladakhis want statehood status. Very big we can give. Goa, Sikkim is even smaller than Ladakh but still have the statehood status. Okay, Ladakhis want statehood. Status. The last one which is important is, as because in Ladakh 90% of the population is tribal, so they are asking for their inclusion in 6th schedule. They're asking for the inclusion in 6th schedule. These are the 4 important demands of what Mr. Sonam Wangchuk led protests across the Ladakh region. And this protest, he has sat for many hunger strikes. Okay, many hunger strikes he has sat for, and mass mobilization were also peaking, and ultimately protest turned violent and he was taken into preventive detention. Some of his statements was very much not so in the spirit of what constitutional means of protest. That's the reason he has been taken into what custody since last November. He has been there only. Now he has been removed. Let us see. Now the traitor label will be changed to hero. Now the provocateur label will be changed to a what I say is that innovator. I expect what Ladakhis want should get them. Okay, because giving determination to our own people is not a bad thing. They are all under us only. Okay, creating a state is not a bad thing. Okay, when they are, we are having democracy means fulfillment of the aspirations of the people. When the Ladakhis are aspiring to have a statehood, and with such a big geography that they are having, okay, it's very important that we need to protect their culture, identity, their faiths, festivals, etc., so and so forth, so that they could also prosper just like all other states and have a self-determination that, okay, Ladakhis are now does not rule by home ministry but rule by the own Ladakhi leader. That gives a sense of statehood, brotherhood and nationalism. I hope this is all clear to you. Do join my PSIR courses, test series and mentorship in Socinias Academy. Have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.